let's take a look at how, first of all, before we go in to have our mission or our conversation with our executives, let's talk about some key recommendations that we would have based on our experience of many executive conversations. So the first one is make sure you are speaking the language. When you approach executive conversations, as we talked about earlier, your reg status in and of itself is probably pretty powerless here. Make sure you come and you speak less to specific project or program metrics and really focus on how you are delivering value to them. If they're expecting a certain value, a deliverable, an enhancement, a change in the organization, talk more about the measurements of success for those deliverables than specific to the project. That's going to probably resonate a lot more for them. And when you speak to your executives, we recommend to really be very clear from the beginning exactly what you need from them. They're time constrained. They want their executive superpower is the ability to make a decision. So we want to call on that superpower and make it very clear what we're expecting them to do. And really focus on their mission. What is their executive's goal? If you're able to have a frank conversation with the executive, I've had great success just asking the simple question, can you tell me how is your success measured, and how does this project or how does my portfolio play into that? And that can drive a really engaging and a very important conversation for you and your team. That also plays into strategic goals. In that same executive, you can ask, how does my project or my program or our portfolio play into the overall strategic organizational goals? And as you do that, make sure that you're presenting in a way that you are addressing their case or their decisions that they need to make, and make sure you arm them for any decisions they make so they can back those up. Finally, make sure you're powering them up for their boss battle. So as much as you are working and maybe a little stressed about talking to your executives, maybe they feel the same way about going up to their seniors, their C-level, their management team as well.